Good morning. It's not literally, it's like 2 p.m. I've been cleaning and organizing my apartment today. I'm gonna be doing a weekend vlog, so welcome to my weekend vlog for Saturday and Sunday. Today is Saturday, and as I said, I've been cleaning my apartment and organizing my apartment. I had a lot of laundry to put away, and there was this like massive pile of clothing on my bedroom, so I put that away. I also like clean a little bit, and I'm currently waiting for my vacuum to stop charging because it was not suctioning. But another thing that I'm so excited about, I finally like started taking pictures of all the things that I'm trying to sell, and I started posting it on Depop and Poshmark because my Poshmark has been very slow. So I decided to start posting on Depop, and Depop like revamped the whole like website, and it is so much better now. I feel like I already sold 2 things and I started reposting stuff like a week ago by now. So we're gonna be packing those orders. I sold this pair of jeans, actually, oh, they're together. So I sold this vest. Let me just put you guys over here. I sold this vest. I love this vest so much, but it literally didn't fit me well. I've never worn it. I had it for like 3 years now. It literally has the tags on, and it's just like not my vibe. It's like too cropped to wear for work, and it just wasn't for me. I sold it, so I'm gonna be shipping this out. The other item that I sold were this cargo pants from American Eagle. They're literally brand new. They don't fit me anymore. And I never got to wear them. They're really cool. I think they look very cute, just not on me. So again, literally has the tags and everything. Luckily, I bought this with my employee discount, I'm pretty sure, so I didn't pay full price. I sold that as well, so I will be shipping those out on Monday, but I wanted to pack them out now. So let's grab. Oh my god, I'm running out of my mailers. I literally bought this like a long time ago, like years and years ago, and I've never like ran out of them because there were so many. But let's pack these up. I am circled up pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. I always tend to cut the tags when someone buys them because I don't want to be part of people trying to return this to a store. So I make sure that this is cut. I worked in retail for a very long time, and even though I know Abercrombie and now American Eagle have more strict policies, I do want to be part of that. So I always cut the tags. Like this pair of jeans will have all the tags removed. And I make sure I leave a little bit just so like I didn't lie, but I always cut the tags because of that. So now I have to print the labels. I haven't sold anything on Depot in a very long time, so this is a little bit new for me. Not sure yet. I just all done. So if you want to check out my Depop, it is blue 94. I'll put the info right here. Most of my stuff are pretty affordable, so check it out if you want to buy some of my clothes. I think I'm gonna continue to list some of the items. So I have this pair of pants. I love this pants so much. When I bought this, I fit in a size 10, but I ended up never wearing them, and I don't fit in a size 10 anymore. So they look beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can find those pair of pants. I believe I've taken pictures of them already. I need to create like a folder with all of everything that I sold can be deleted because we don't need that anymore. Oh yeah, I took pictures of it. The actual picture from the website online. It is literally motherfucking 5 o'clock because my light just went on and the sun is still outside, and oh my god, I am so excited. So fucking excited. Good morning, everyone. Today it is Sunday and I have a few things I want to do. I want to go and get my car washed because it's disgusting. I was gonna go in the morning, but it's already 10 in the morning and it's probably gonna be packed right now. I don't know what it is about that place that I go to, but a lot of people go there clearly. I just ordered some groceries from Whole Foods that I need to pick up to do lasagna soup, which is literally one of my favorite things ever. It is so fucking delicious. I love it so much. So that should be done around noon. What was the other thing I wanted to do? I have a return at Whole Foods, so I need to do that as well. But let's pick my outfit for today. I tend to wear a lot of hoodies because I hate when I need to wear a bra when I don't have to. Fortunately, like in the past, I was able to get away with no bra, but like my boobs have grown to a point that like it doesn't look good. Let's see, I have some new stuff that you guys will be seeing on a haul. I think I might just wear leggings. I have my Dirty Boy pink camo obsessed. I have this like green long sleeve. You guys already seen this on the vlogs, but and then I have this which I really want to wear. My plan is to just wear this with leggings and some like scrunchy socks with maybe sneakers. I act like I have to like fully dressed up every single day of the week, and the weekends are like my time to do absolutely I don't have to wear a bra because I can wear my onesie. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Yes, I have this like onesie from Aritzia and I love it so much. It is a little bit big on me lengthwise because I have a short torso. Maybe I need to adjust this now that I'm looking at this a bit more. But it's like a dilemma because if I adjust it, it's gonna be tighter here and that annoys me. But then when it falls down, it also annoys me. So it's just like, I better hate it. But I like wearing this during the winter because it keeps you very warm and then you don't have to wear a bra. And you can put like a sweater over it or like a long sleeve like I'm doing now. Really great. So I think I'm gonna do this. This is very, very exciting. I'll shower and then we'll be back soon. I showered. Here's the shirt. I really like it. It's been a little bit too long, but I really like it. I'm wearing the onesie from Aritzia. My food is already done, so I'm just eating this because I'm hungry. The crunch of the chips are insane. I charged my camera. It didn't fully charge, so let's just hope that I don't run out of battery because every time I try to take you guys with me, there's something wrong with the camera. Either the memory's full, no battery, or something happens. So let's go get my car wash and then pick up my food. I am freezing cold. I have not listened to Take My Crazy album. We're doing that. We are doing that. Anyways, my car is now clean. Yay. Now we're gonna go to Whole Foods. Again, pray for the best. I got I'm not trying to smell it, but I got a car. They gave me a free air freshener. I don't think my car smells bad, but they have a decent amount of them. I want to smell it. Oh, I don't love it. It smells like not what I want my car to smell like. You know what I mean? We made it, guys. I'll show you what I got. I got grapes. And I literally have grapes, but I bought these grapes from Target and they're disgusting, which is why I haven't eaten them. I like my grapes to be nice and like crunchy, if you know what I mean, not soggy. I got chicken. I have to prep this chicken. Got my meat. I got butter because I ran out of butter. I got borage cheese. I don't fucking know. This cheese tastes amazing with lasagna soup. Ooh. I got heavy cream. I do my lasagna soup without heavy cream, but you know, I saw the cheap one available, so I got the cheap one and we're gonna use that. I have to clean, but let's start prepping for cooking. First I have to wash my utensils because I literally have one pot that I literally use like every time I cook, so we have to do that first. gonna start cooking. I don't know how much I'm able to record because my camera is dying, like the battery, like always, like what the fuck. But yeah, let's get it cooking. Everyone, look at how good this looks. Tostones, borscht. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to eat that up. I literally changed my top because I know I was gonna get it all over my other top. So so excited to inhale this food. Today it is I was gonna say Friday, it is Thursday. I'm heading into the office. I'm literally so exhausted, like what the fuck. I don't want to go into the office, but we have no other option. I also need to put gas on my car. For your gas. Can I do 20 regular? Thank you. Thank you. What a fucking moron. I hate when people do this. They're like eating the shit and then you're trying to pass him by and he tried to speed me up. I don't even know if it was a girl. Honestly, I have no idea who the fuck it was. I ended up winning, always. Like, really? But anyways, I made it to work. So I'm very not excited about, but I'm glad that I made it here. It is raining. The good thing is usually Thursdays are so empty. So that's really fun. There's currently no one in the office. I'm in my parents' house and I'm on my way out. I think I'm gonna stop at the
Prices you pay in store. No long.
I'm gonna
squeaky cards.
I'm going to stop at the car wash here because it's cheaper. And I got my Deadpool collab and it doesn't smell that great, to be honest. It doesn't smell that great. And I got this, but you know, I already bought it, so it is what it is. Oh, fire truck? That like never happens. Over here. Wash my car and then I have to put gas over here as well because the gas over here is cheaper and my camera is dying, so I'll see you guys back at home. Okay, so we are in the car wash right now and the car in front of me for some reason backed up and stole my my settings, but luckily he called and the guy came through and it was all good. Like, I'm currently getting washed. $13, bitch! $13 versus 18. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today it is Monday. As you guys saw, I prepped my lunch, which I literally never do. My jacket, I really like my jacket. This buffer that I got from Bershka Pull & Bear like a year or two ago, and I've never worn it. It is like a mimic of the Acne Studio puffer jacket. The reason why I don't wear it is because I feel like I look very like puffy above, and a lot of my clothing is very oversized, so it looks a little bit weird even though this jacket is kind of cropped. It's not really cropped, it fits like perfect. And you know jeans don't fit me well, so I feel like a skirt is like the perfect bottom to pair this with, so it still looks cool without looking awkward. So I really love this jacket and I'm excited to wear it. Today we have two things that we need to do and they're kind of exciting. I'm gonna put you guys on. One, we are going to Plato's Closet to sell some jeans. I've been trying to do this for a long time, but the Plato's Closet that is near my house in Boston, there's literally only one, which is fucking insane. And they only do it by appointment, which is so fucking weird. So I made my appointment like a few weeks ago and honestly forgot about it. I thought I already missed my appointment because I couldn't find the reservation of my appointment on my email. But I got a text message this morning that my appointment at 10 a.m. is still a thing. So we're gonna be going to that. And then the other thing that I have today is I'm going to dinner with some of my co-workers, which I actually like never do. And we're going to an Indian place. So one of my co-workers, she's from India, and she always complains how the food in Boston is not good. The Indian food Boston is not good. There's this new place I think that opened in the South End, so we're gonna be going there. All right, perfect. My scalp has been so messy lately. Okay. So yeah, those are my plans for today. Do I know what I'm wearing to go out to dinner? No. I recently realized that I lost all my sense of style. I only know how to dress for work, and I don't know how to dress for anything else, which is so sad. So I need to figure out outfits outside of work. You know what I mean? And like, I also feel like every outfit that I put together, yes, it is cute, but I'm like, this is like something that I will should work. I don't want to wear that out because, you know, there's no rules when you're not at work. And you need to be fun with your outfits. But I'm still working through that one. I also did my nails the other day and I am obsessed. They ended up being like the perfect. Like, these are literally the most perfect nails ever. Let's go sell some jeans. Hopefully they buy something. And then we have to figure an outfit for tonight. All right, just drop off my jeans. It says 25 to 30 minutes. So before 11, they should be all set. I bought a bunch of jeans. Hopefully they'll get jeans. Alright, let's go to the things that they did not fucking buy because they're good jeans. So like, I don't know why they're not buying them. And they give me $12 for jeans. Like, that's fucking insane. But starting off, I know these ones are pretty beat up, so I understand these ones, but they're like that. That's how I bought them. Like, that's literally how I bought them. They're mom jeans. They actually fit really nice on. I can understand how these ones are not sellable. I have skinny jeans that are coming back in style with a bunch of holes, and these looked so good on. Are these a size 8? And they have rips on the backs and they look so good on. So like, I don't understand. This one's mom jeans, literally with the tags on. She didn't even look through this shit. No rips. Like, what? I'm confused. I even forgot that these ones were there. I know she didn't look through it because usually everything that has tags they get. I don't understand. I know these ones are a little bit more distressed, but these are such good jeans from Zara. They just have like a big, they look really cool. They're very high-waisted, but cool jeans. These are really cool jeans. Again, great conditions. This Sarah cargo pants, I love this so much. They literally just don't fit me. I actually think I have a size 12. These are size 10. Yeah, I have the size 12 still. Like, I don't know why they do not got this. They're brand new, literally brand new. There's nothing wrong with them. I never wear them because they never fit. I'm gonna be taking pictures literally right now of all of the jeans, and I'm gonna try my best to sell them online because that's just like what it comes down to. Takes longer to sell, and the thing is, like, these jeans don't fit me, so it's not that I can put them on to take photos. So I have to go and find a photo online and sell it that way. So let's get started taking photos of this.